Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys. Depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video, I'd like to welcome you all onto this channel, guys. Yeah, man. I just wanted to talk about this. I know this is more or less almost like something that is old news. Check this out.
I don't have time for a picture because if I take one picture with you, I have to take a picture with that guy, with that lady, with that what. Then my time, and then Kausani, who's not professional. It's got to fit late, go kicking. Late is mang kwe. Na kero nyaka video. So people, I don't care. Like if akinyaki, utaya snap akinyaki, kana kwewa. If akinyaki, I don't feel like it. I don't.
And you know they don't understand. They don't understand that. If we tell,
how na motho o nkirileng gore ke fitlhe mo ke leng teng vandag. And how na motho o tong ntsha mo ke leng teng ke le mo vandag. So I don't think I owe it to them. I don't owe it to I don't think any celebrity owes anyone.
but when they feel entitled.
That's the problem. It's their problem. Like if it's not my problem, it's not my problem. If nak vaga mdim.
Okay, guys, that was Scott Mapuma. A lot of people might know him, and especially people who are piano lovers and stuff like that. And he was apparently on a podcast called El Tido, and then they got to speaking about because a lot of people have been complaining about the attitude Scott Mapuma and all of that. Yeah, man, and people did come out and all of that said, "Good, yeah, life will humble him," and allegedly, we Cotton Fest. This is what happened.
Mfuna wena. How? Zaze ngibe rude phela. Khona ukuthi engimfunayo la. Uphuma Dlamini yena. Guys, uMadlamini umuntu wami uphi? Yeah? Angeke kodwa orungafa. Why nithulile?
With that first video and what is starting to happen now, other people did come out and say, "Good, no, the crowd was half dead, but it wasn't all the way dead." Shuti kusasekhona nyana laba bambala, or half of labo bantu laba who still like this guy or who don't give a rat's ass. He even said he doesn't care about his fans. His fans did not make him. Only God is the one who made him and put him in the position that he is at. The only sad thing about even with that, and also having to mention uNkulunkulu, is this thing about God will put you in endaweni ethile, but now he will use people. It's either he'll use a group of people or an individual to get you there. And you could be praying for isikhathi eside bese kuthatha isikhathi eside for you to ukuthi mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu agcine uphendulile umthandazo yakho akuthatha kubeke lapha. But the sad thing is that bese sekuba nguwe who will decide not to even uzehlele kanje, no, to jump or to free fall from wherever la uNkulunkulu asokuphakamisele khona akubeka khona ukuthi free fall ubuyele la ubukhona, or even worse than la ubukhona eqaleni. That is the sad thing. Mina ke, and I don't want to lie to you, I do not even know him. I don't the same way that he says he doesn't care about his fans. I just do not care about him. I do not have any ill intent towards him and anything like that. But however, with me, as I've said this numerous times, I hate people who have an attitude, or people who think that they are better than other people. And even this thing ukuthi umuntu abe nento ukuthi akabadinga abantu and does not need, but only to find out ukuthi i-career yakhe idepende ebantwini. Yeah, If people stop supporting him, as like seqala kwenzeka manje, njoba seqala kwenzeka manje, if people stop supporting him, zizokhala yazi zizokhala bafethu. We have seen people who were dope, who were killing it. I'm sorry to make this example, but Utos has always been killing it, and all of that. There was a time where he was super hot, and then the temperature decrease. Mind you, this guy never said anything bad, if I'm not mistaken. He never said anything bad. Apart my fancy, middle finger to my fancy, combing or partner down or anything like that. He never did that. But still, it happened to Guti. Unfortunately, isikhathi sakhe sifikile. I hope adlulanga and stuff like that, but honestly speaking, ucabanga ngeke nabo Scott Maphumi bona baze banezibindi zokuthi beze bephume besikhombe ngophakathi besitshele ukuthi thina singama-mother F izinto ekanjani. Don't you think the same thing will happen to you? Look at what happened to the baby. The baby naye betshe ukuthi big, we all big bad wolf. He will huff and puff and blow everyone's house down. Ukhokha I know. Uphi manje? Kami avele angwakhipheli ke shama celebrity. Angifuni ngihambela manga, angwakhipheli nje imali makuthiwa nje khona udinga imali. Angifuni nje ukuqaba manga. Awu mina ngiyaxolisa. Bafethu nami ngisafuna umuntu ozongikhiphela imali. Akekho ufuna ukungikhiphela imali nami. Angifuni nje yazi ukuthi kanjani. My point that I want to say is that one day uzobuya naye lo mfana lo abe sekhala manje. Uzobuya and zizomgadlaza kuzoba buhlungu. Yeah. So, yeah, man. Osemnyango lamthatha limphose emsamo lemothi kwito. Kunjalo nje. If he has not, and asifuni futhi ukuthi in future bese khamba kwesethi hayi ngangimncane yazi mamncane qala uthola imali uba naive in no. Okay, yes, I almost said no. Yes, yeah, yo phephisa ndodo isifana ngaphinde nawe wenze lento le, but now you have to reap what you have sowed, and he's definitely already starting to do that. He is. You understand? I can't wait. As for abantu I can't wait for it downfall yabo shamafuqamba mang. I cannot wait. I know that sounds bad and horrible, but oh well, I'm just being honest. I just cannot wait because ayikite bora njengomuntu. It's more or less like I get nalento ukuthi athi uNkulunkulu umsizile and all of that, but the sad thing is that uNkulunkulu usebenzisa abantu, especially with his career, uNkulunkulu usebenzisa abantu kumphakamisa. Manje yena ufuna ukuthi akhombela abantu laba ngophakathi bese still afuna ukuthi kube yibo futhi abantu basazoqhubeka bemphakamisa. Yo, tell me what you think about this video down below. Iyangibhora le ndaba.